Hello, welcome to my channel. So this week I've been watching a lot of anime, including Dota and Castlevania, I think was the name, yeah. And I'm kind of obsessed with watching anime at the moment. My desk at work is a mess, and yeah, I really have to clean everything in the lab, and I think it will help me clear my mind when my surrounding is tidy up. Now I'm just going to shopping to enjoy a little bit. So this was the last time I was able to go to Zara actually, because everything closed again. So yeah, this is very sad because even though I don't want buy anything, sometimes going to the mall will make me relax because I like seeing all the colors and the new designs. It kind of inspires me somehow. And yeah, so it's very sad that they keep closing things, even though I think there isn't that many studies that confirm it's easy to get the virus from a surface. It's mostly human, close human interactions, but they keep closing everything, and it really affects the businesses. But yeah, there's nothing we can do. So yeah, currently there's a lot of colors happening at Zara, which makes me really happy, and a lot of nice patterns, a lot of paisley and tribal designs, which I'm really kind of getting into that for the summer. Overall, I see a lot of pink, orange, and blue colors in Zara at this time. And I really wish the fitting room was open so I could try some of them. And yeah, especially I really love the shoes that Zara is doing and how it's trying to incorporate more high quality leather into some of their footwear. So, and their prices for leather are sort of on the affordable side, I would say. And yeah, I'm always like looking at their shoe collection, and they do so many designs, like a high volume. It's likely that anyone will find something that they like. So I think this is kind of their strategy. And but usually, yeah, I go for the sandals that are leather and have like a medium heel height. And now they're doing such nice colors. I'm on the lookout for like a pink one and a white sandal. The white one will go actually with everything, so that's the first thing that I would like to buy. And yeah, again, nice colors here. And oh, I love this design for summer. It's like, it reminds me of vacation and tropical destinations. And sometimes they do nice patterns, but I don't like for these things. I like the pattern but not the design, so I'm gonna wait for better things to come. And here's one of my favorite stores, Hollister. I love these sets that they have right now, but they used to have this floral one that they just they released it, but then they took it off for like really quickly. So I think they might bring that back, and I'm waiting for that one to come out because that was really cute. And yeah, they have really nice bikinis. They're a little bit pricey for me, but still, like, it's good to invest in a good bikini. And this pink color with this blue sarong is like one of my favorite swimwear things that they have now. And they have these cute sets, matching sets for summer, and really breathable, fresh fabrics. that I just love. They're really flowy, and for my skirts I really love like the flowy ones, because when you move they kind of move with your body and it looks more flattering in general. And I've been liking this denim dress with really cute floral patterns, but it's still expensive. So usually, like when I don't really need something, I wait, and sometimes they go on sale for really cheap prices, and that's when I pick them up. Because to be honest, yeah, in the West we all have too many clothes, and it doesn't make sense to like waste your money when it's on regular price and you already have so many things. Yeah, and oh, I love these cute matching set that they have in red, but it's not like perfect, so I'm gonna wait again. And then I got a package from AliExpress. I always get so excited when opening packages, so I'm sharing it with you. And this matching set that is in the turquoise color, and it's sort of like a bohemian style, but the skirt is short and the top is kind of a crop top, and I was really impressed actually. I wasn't expecting it to be anything, but I'm really impressed with it, and I'm thinking of getting it in a different color maybe too, because the fabric is 100% cotton and it's really breathable. In Canada the summers can get really hot and humid, so I can wear things like this and then put a denim jacket over it, and the color will go with this. So yeah, in the subway it can be cold, so you definitely need like a jacket. But then when it's really hot outside, stuff like this would be really perfect. And the fabric was so stretchy. I got it in the size medium. And then here are some other versions on AliExpress. They're also made from cotton, and they seem to be like really nice boho chic. So for this summer I'm gonna try more boho chic designs. I know I'm kind of late and it's been like a thing a few years ago, but I don't know, I started to get into it recently. And yeah, so that was the fashion part. And then so this week I've been trying to eat like mostly home cooked meals. Usually I make 2 meals, and we eat it throughout the week. And I got this pearl necklace that has like an opal pendant. I really like it. If you're interested, I can link it below. And then yeah, I've just been trying to do more research so that I can publish some papers. And then the best part of the week was when we decided to go to this shop called Butter Baker with my friends. They have the best ice cream in the world, and the cone is actually like sort of buttery and melts in your mouth. So the flavor was guava and vanilla, so I really like that, and I'm obsessed with ice cream in general. And the weather was really good this week, so I went for walks. Then there was like a 2-for-1 deal for sushi from Uber Eats. So here, yeah, I'm enjoying my sushi. When the weather gets nice and warm, I usually crave sushi a lot, because it's like a cold dish, and it's really refreshing. And I also ordered some stuff from Shein, and the package arrived so quickly. I was so surprised, and they really improved their shipping times. And they're mostly summer clothing with nice patterns and very vibrant colors. So if you like to see me do a haul for that, stay tuned. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, there will be some hauls in the future, so see you soon.